Keep all of your perishables crisp and cool while on the go with the Equator brushed stainless RV refrigerator. Measuring 24.80 inches by 18.70 inches by 21.45 inches, this refrigerator has a total capacity of 2.82 cubic feet, as well as a separate freezer compartment. The RF12282 model offers a built-in configuration for enhanced safety while traveling to your next destination. It operates on DC 12-volt electrical and an energy-efficient compressor, and has a power rating of 48 watts. Sort and organize all of your beverages and food items using the two included wire shelves and indoor bottle storage. Organize all of your produce in the two included mini crisper drawers. Set the inside temperature between 41 degrees and 59 degrees using the electronic temperature control function. Other top features include its anti-corrosion coating, interior LED light, locking door latch, low voltage protection, and vibration resistance. As an added bonus, your purchase is backed by a 1-year parts and labor warranty. Order the Equator brushed stainless RV refrigerator today.